Hey everybody, it's Steve, Chief Paralegal here at Gerbin Law Firm, and in this video we're going to talk about why it's important to hire a trademark attorney to conduct your trademark search and registration. Now, we're obviously partial here at Gerbin Law Firm that you should hire a trademark attorney, but nevertheless I want to highlight two main reasons, and those are training and experience. Now, I would say training is the most important reason to have an attorney register your trademark, and that's for the simple fact that every word of a trademark application affects the degree of protection your trademark will receive under the law. When you're registering the trademark, you have to spell out in detail the types of goods and/or services you're offering. And the way in which you craft this language has a big impact on how protected your trademark will be. But let's move on to experience. I'm going to show you two examples, even though there are many more, of how experience matters when conducting a trademark search. So let's go on and conduct a trademark search, which you can do at the government site, USPTO.gov. I'll include links to all of this stuff in the comments section below. And what we're going to do is look at a company we registered a trademark for called Tires Etc. So if we go into the search field here and type in Tires Etc., you'll see that no trademarks appear. So for all intents and purposes, it would look as if we could register this trademark easily. But if we back up and spell out just ETC, there's the trademark. So big picture, what I'm trying to show you here is that the way in which you enter your search terms matters. And to review, the government will reject your trademark application if it believes your mark will create a likelihood of confusion in the marketplace. So there doesn't have to be an exact match of your trademark to cause denial of your trademark application. A pre-existing trademark can just be spelled slightly differently, or it could just be phonetically similar, right? It could sound the same. Okay, so that's the first way experience matters. The other is in navigating the classifications of goods and/or services. The USPTO has broken all goods and services down into 45 different classes. It's by no means a perfect system, which is what I'm about to highlight for you. But first, why does the classifications of goods and/or services even matter when you're conducting a search? Well, sometimes a company will be attempting to register a trademark which uses a common word. Take barn, for instance. Let's say we were attempting to register barn clothing. So we'd go to the USPTO and we'd enter barn, and you'd see 415 results. In order to run a more specific search, you can use the Freeform tab. And this lets you whittle down which class to search in. The Freeform tab you can see right here. Now, I've already spelled out how I'm going to conduct this search, which will have to be saved for a different video, but I just want to show you that in specifying the class, which I know for clothing is 025, we can see that now we get 92 results, which is much more manageable. But as I said, experience matters in performing a trademark search, and I can tell you that Class 025 is not the only class applicable to clothing. You'd also want to check out Class 035, which is retail store services. But weirder than that, those services, retail store services, used to be classified under Class 042. They no longer are, but some marks still exist, registered for retail store services for clothing in Class 042. I've got one right here to show you as an example, Dress Barn. Now, this is just a very brief overview of some of the hurdles you'll encounter when running a trademark search for the first time, and I just want to stress that what we looked at is just clothing. Different goods and services have their different quirks. Software, for instance, is in two separate classes, 009 and 042, and the difference between those classes is one is downloadable, one is non-downloadable. So while you absolutely can conduct a trademark search and file a trademark application on your own, my suggestion would be to save yourself time and money, contact a trademark attorney. Consultations are always free with trademark attorney Josh Gerbin, so give him a call at 800-281-6275. Thanks for your time.